Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting a metal jig sized for depth and current. Pick 2060G for typical coastal jigging. Tie a strong knot, Palomar or uni, then make a long, controlled cast or drop to target depth. Once the jig is down, you want a confident first action. 2 quick sharp snaps of the rod to impart flash, then pause to let it fall. This aggressive opening provokes reaction bites and tells you fish depth immediately, so adjust weight and rod angle accordingly. Once you establish the initial bite window, refine your retrieve. Alternate lift-fall cycles, 1 to 3 pumps, then feed line as the jig sinks. Make sure to vary cadence. Use a slow burn when fish are lethargic, a fast wind when active, and stop and go to imitate wounded prey. Also, keep eyes on line angle and rod tip. Subtle twitches equal taps. If you feel weight on the fall, hold pressure and sweep. If nothing, change jig size or tempo to re-trigger strikes. You finish by timing the hook set. When you feel resistance or a distinct thump, sweep the rod firmly and keep steady pressure while reeling to prevent slack. Once hooked, use rod angle to absorb runs and let the drag work. Avoid jerky motions that pull hooks. If you miss strikes, troubleshoot. Swap to a sharper or larger hook, slow the fall, or alter cadence to increase reaction chances. Remember, small adjustments quickly reveal what the fish prefer that day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.